Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be walking you through one of the most useful features in ERPNext, creating a sales invoice directly from a timesheet. If you're running a service-based business, this is a game changer. Why? Because instead of manually calculating hours and creating invoices, ERPNext allows you to automate this process. This ensures accuracy, saves time, and directly links your team's billable hours with customer billing. So, let's get started step by step. In many businesses, especially in services, customers are billed based on the hours employees work. A timesheet records these hours. Once submitted, ERPNext can generate a sales invoice from it, automatically pulling in details like billable hours, billing rates, and linking it to a project or a customer. The benefit is clear: no undercharging, no overcharging, and no missed hours. Everything stays transparent and accurate. So, first, ensure the timesheet is complete and submitted. Only submitted timesheets are available for invoicing. Remember to tick the billable checkbox and enter both the billable hours and the billing rate correctly. So, we scroll down to the project tab and click on it. Here we can see under the time tracking timesheets. Clicking on it will take us to the timesheet list. At the top right corner, we click on Add Timesheet. In here, we add all the details such as the project, the company, the customer whom we will be billing the timesheet against. We select the employee. Once we select the employee, its department is automatically fetched. That is marketing. In the activity type, we select research and add from time to time. This employee, for instance, has researched for 5 hours for the customer. In the billing details, we can see the total billable hours and the total billable amount is shown are being shown 0. However, once we check the is billable checkbox, then the system automatically updates the total billable hours to 5 hours and total billable amount to 5,000. In the notes section, we can add whatever notes we would like. Once all the details are entered, we save and submit the timesheet. Once the timesheet is submitted, you can create a sales invoice. ERPNext will generate a draft invoice and autofill most details for you. Select the relevant item code and the customer. If a project or customer was already linked in the timesheet, ERPNext will fetch this automatically. The invoice will include details such as the employee's name, task, project, billable hours, billing rate, and the total billing amount. This ensures the invoice exactly reflects the timesheet. By default, the system uses the current date and time. If needed, you can edit this to match a reporting period or backdate the invoice. You just have to check this box and you can do this manually then. Once you've reviewed the details, save and submit the invoice. ERPNext will handle the accounting entries and update your financial records automatically. If you prefer not to create an invoice directly from a timesheet, ERPNext also allows you to fetch items from other sources such as sales orders, delivery notes, or quotations. This is useful when you need to combine multiple revenue sources into one invoice. ERPNext also supports features like accounting dimensions, to tag transactions by cost center, project, or territories, making it easy to filter reports later. And with ERPNext and later versions, you can use the Fetch Timesheets option to pull in multiple timesheets at once. A huge time saver compared to adding them one by one. You just simply select the from time and to time and select the item code and just click on the button. By clicking, it will be automatically fetched into the sales invoice. After submission, the timesheet automatically updates with total billed hours, total billed amount, percentage billed. This gives clear visibility into what has been invoiced and what remains. You can also generate a salary slip from the timesheet, linking employee payments and customer billing from one source. And that's it. You now know how to generate a sales invoice directly from a timesheet in ERP Next. Thank you.